Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have two questions for you. One, did you see the big pop on natural gas this morning? And two, did you trim just a little bit off your position to take some profit for yourself? Jump down in the comments section, let me know the answer to those two questions really quick. So I'm really excited about two specific things today related to natural gas, but slightly nervous about one other item. In this video, I'm going to share with you all three talking points. So let's go. Okay, so first up, we got to talk about the weather. The 7 to 14 day forecast is looking like we're going to get that cold shot that we've been waiting for. Now, here in Colorado specifically, we're getting hit with snow, and the lows for this coming Wednesday night is in the single digits. Now here are the current weather conditions from natgasweather.com, and it's looking pretty chilly. So it's no doubt the reason why we saw a push up in price in natural gas futures this morning was because of this weather. But one other factor is related to the heating degree days. Now, a heating degree day, if you haven't heard of it, it's also known as HDD, is a measurement designed to quantify the demand for energy needed to heat a building. So overnight, moving into this morning, 10 additional HDDs were added to the existing, already in place 8 to 9 HDDs, which helped the price of natural gas rise. Now the second item I'm super excited about is today's volume, actual trading volume. Now if you missed my last video about natural gas volume, watch this video. I'll put a card up here, and that should help clear things up a bit. To give you a better visual of this volume, we're going to jump over to the charts for a quick second. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the /NG Z19 chart up, which after my last video we talked about what would be best to use in terms of charting, and I think I'm just going to go with, for the time being, the most up-to-date futures chart. So that's what we've got right here. We've got the December 2019, as you can see right here, natural gas futures chart. And this is the daily chart. And so I wanted to show you what I'm excited about. This, I get excited about a lot of things on the channel. And one thing that really brings me a lot of joy is seeing a strong move in the direction that we want, in addition to big volume. Now, the card that I just put up with the video about volume, definitely check that out, because we deep dive a little bit into volume and what it means and what it looks like when it's trending up. So right now, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here, and you can see here's today's trading volume right here. You can see it, and if you look right over here, watch this number as I hover some of these. So there's 132,725. We come here, we're at 143. 124, 127, 95, 167. So you can see right now that we are actually on the highest volume day in a while. It's actually the biggest volume day in a while. So what this specific bar right here tells me is that people are getting super excited about natural gas and about winter. Demand is about to rise, people are going to be heating their homes, and this volume candle is very indicative of things being bullish and strong for our friend UGAZ. Now, if I just flip over to UGAZ real quick just to look at the volume over here, you can see that as far as trading goes, we did have larger volume back here on 10/21, but you can see this candle coming in here, and I know it's red because we've gone red on the day now, but this is a big voluminous candle compared to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, and really 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12 trading days. So this is very indicative of good things in terms of being bullish on natural gas. But over here on the futures, this just has me really excited seeing such a large volume bar. So we'll keep that in mind. That's the second thing I'm super excited about. The weather and this big volume bar coming in, all showing to be bullish in my opinion. And again, take trades based after doing your own due diligence. Don't make trades or do anything just based solely on my videos. Just use my information as information. With that, let's talk about a couple other things. Okay, now let's get into what's making me a little nervous about the natural gas futures price action. We had a beautiful gap up in price going into the open today, and the strong move to the upside had a lot of people excited.
But then we saw some price rejection back to downside, and I think it was due to one specific thing. And again, this is the technical analysis side of me coming out, and I want to jump back into the charts for just a quick second to show you exactly what I'm talking about.
Here we are, back at the charts. So NGZ19. Now, I want to show you exactly what is making me a little bit anxious about this price action and this candle formation. Now, we take fundamentals, we take news, we blend all these things together, and then I like to add that third component, which is the technical analysis, which is the chart patterns, support and resistance lines. And as we look at this candle right here, you can see the story of what happened today. We gapped up here. We opened up, and it's showing we opened at 2.505. Then we pressed all the way up to 2.588, which is amazing. We broke this red line. Now this red line is the 50-day simple moving average. Once we broke that, I was thinking, wow, this is a really strong move, because not only did we break that significant level, but we broke over this resistance point. This candle action right in here, that could have created an overhead resistance that could have pushed price action back down. Now this was this morning, remember? So I'm thinking, okay, we're breaking up. Now if we can set up on top of this 50 simple moving average, we have that support plus the support of this cluster of candles, and now we can move further to the upside. But what happened? We got a big time rejection all the way back down, and right now we're currently trading at 2.538. So we went all the way up to this high of the 2.588 and just got rejected back down. Now, where price action is right now is below that 50 simple moving average. If the day ends and this candle's left formed just like it is, and we go into tomorrow, there's a good chance that price action could dip back down before going back up and challenging this level again. So what we've had is an overhead resistance. So to me, when I started to see this, I thought, okay, time to trim a little bit off the position size, because we had a healthy gain, we take a little bit of profit, and now we hang tight and wait to see what's going to happen. Now, it doesn't mean this has to happen. This could open tomorrow and blast right through it, in which case I'd be thinking, okay, that now may be a support level that we can rely on to nibble shares in the future moving forward. But for right now, it's showing that it's rejecting price action. So I anticipate things to possibly move down a little bit before coming back up. We might test it a few more times before we break through, or it might just bust through right away. I don't know. But all this is saying right now is that the 50 simple moving average rejected the price that happened today.
So with weather acting as our stimulus for increased price in natural gas, we need to watch closely for that break of the 50 simple moving average. Once we get that and price is holding above, we may be ready to settle in for our long winter's nap. Now, question of the day for you. Leave your answer in the comment section below. Did you take profit today, and at what level will you add back to your overall position? Oh, wait, one more really important point. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Try us out. Cheers.